The oil from oil fields of Unity that are in Ruweng and sensitive area and Tarjaza oil field are meant for development of the country, mainly roads. We are paying this money now for roads. And then soon also electricity will come in, power will come in, also airports, transport, reaching the Nile. We are implementing directive of the president, his policy of oil for development, and we must make sure that we bring results for the people of the Republic of South Sudan. So I hope very soon this section of Juba Terkeka will finish, so that we move also on the section of Terkeka, Yorol, and also we move on that section of Yorol and Rumbek. On roads, we are working on all roads. We are not leaving anybody behind. I know South Sudanese are rushing for roads. Everybody one road today, not tomorrow. We hope by July 9th, during the Independence Day, President will do the first opening of the first section on that road. Because this road is a very important road. I have been telling the public. This is a road linking Juba to 2/3 of the population of the Republic of South Sudan. This road is going to the oil field in Ruweng. It's going to all areas of Barghazal. And you know, this is where the resources are. And also this is where the population is.